To start this reset off the right foot, I always start with my laundry and my bed sheets because laundry just honestly takes the longest. When I wasn't paying attention, I accidentally threw all my blankets on Azure and then I hit my elbow on the wall. Yeah, it hurt. But yeah, while the laundry is being washed, I can just go on about my day and knock off other things off my to-do list. Alright, now that the laundry is being washed, I am going to start doing my dishes. I like to mainly take over the dishes on Sundays because I meal prep. I do feel it's more of my place to clean it. I really want to get one of those dishwashing aprons because I hate when water gets on me, especially the nasty ass water. One way I made dishes more enjoyable was wearing gloves. If you don't wear gloves washing dishes, that's pretty gross. So right now, I am taking a break from cleaning. I would normally just knock out my room right away, but the weather is playing me. The sun keeps hiding behind the clouds. It smells like it's going to rain, but then the app says it's not going to rain. It's Arkansas, and I feel like it's going to rain, and like, I have plans today. I have errands to do on Mondays. I clean out my car, I go grocery shopping, and I'm actually going to go to the cafe today. I love working in a cafe. Just something about the environment just has me so focused, and I feel like I get my best work out of it. Before we complete more things on our to-do list, we are taking a little trip to the Diamond Drip. It is a small coffee shop that just opened up here in town, and I love it. This is the best way to get me out of the house and go get some work done, and I genuinely romanticize the hell out of this process. Like, I love it and I look forward to it every single week. Such as getting cute and coming here, looking forward to the coffee of course, and you get all your electronics and your cute studying equipment, put in your earphones and just enjoy your own alone time and just really have no distractions and just get your ish done. I feel I get the best results productivity wise coming here instead of being at home, and I just enjoy the sun setting. Like, just this is so beautiful. So if you ever thought about going to your local coffee shop and doing it, you definitely should, because it genuinely has saved my life. Alright guys, it is close to 7 o'clock. I hate that it literally looks like it's 10 o'clock outside right now. It's so early. I hate winter. So excited for summer. I'd be thriving in summer. I feel so far, considering I woke up at 10, I feel like I've done quite a lot in the few past several hours. I'm going to be taking a lunch break. This is considered my lunch because I am a night shift worker, so this is around my lunchtime. So I've been craving Mexican food for like the past couple days now. I'm gonna call in an order. I've been craving some carne asada tacos. While I'm waiting for that to be made, I'm gonna clean out my car. I'm pretty sure the people next door can hear me. I hope I have my cleaning stuff. I think it's in my trunk. Oh my god, Hi, I'd like to place a to-go order.
It's on the side, tacos carne. 3 tacos carne asada.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that. Corn, please.
Anything else?
No ma'am, that's it.
Okay, thank you. 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you. I'm so excited to get Mexican because I don't really treat myself to going out to fast food. I used to be the type to get fast food every single day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like, I refuse to cook, I refuse to meal prep, and on top of that I would spend money on food that's at work, which is literally double or triple the price. Like, just a bag of candy is almost $5. It's literally like movie theater price. Now this year I have been meal prepping, I've been grocery shopping, I've been budgeting, and I've been saving so much money. I've been eating so much healthier. I got the goods. Don't seep out your food. What are you doing? Safety first. It is finally time to start meal prepping. This part probably takes the longest out of my resets, but it saves you the most time and it saves you the most money, and you still feed what your body needs on the daily basis. I've actually learned to start loving this process, so if you've never done it before, you definitely should. Everything I'm going to be using today, I spent around $40 for everything, but I did have some ingredients here, so roughly I'd probably spend about $60 on all the ingredients, and it lasts me for one whole week. And I still have some leftover ingredients for the next shopping list, so it's totally worth it. Today we're going to be prepping some breakfast, we're going to be prepping lunch, a side for lunch, as well as a dinner. I normally never do dinners, but I saw this new recipe on TikTok. It's super basic, but still has a lot of protein. I'm so excited to try it out. Alright girl, it is time to start whipping it up in the kitchen. We have a lot on our hands, but trust me, they're so easy, so affordable, and if I can make these, you most definitely can, because I am not a chef in the kitchen. So I wanted to give y'all my little recipes because these are just my go-to. As you saw, I seasoned the chicken, I got that in the oven so we can start on our side salad. I also started boiling the eggs so we can get that started. And I wanted to start with the salad because it is super easy. Just chop up all the ingredients, put lettuce, tomato, eggs, cheese, bacon bits, eventually the chicken, and then I also put little bits of avocado in there. And let me tell you, this is fire, and you can design it with any topping you like. Next, we're moving on to that TikTok recipe, which is the cheesy bacon Alfredo, I call it. You take these penny noodles with some cream cheese and a lot of cheese. Pick any cheese you like, and then you just add some bacon bits, add some of that chicken we made earlier, pour in that Alfredo sauce, give it a mix, and voila, it is so bomb. And my brother's a picky eater, and trust me, he even loved it. Lunch is done, then I put rice and vegetables on the stove, and while those are cooking, I am starting on the overnight oats for breakfast. This recipe has me in a chokehold, and it has become my absolute favorite food for breakfast. It is my go-to for a nutritional meal. I just love this thing. It has changed my life. It's like a yummy dessert for breakfast. It generally makes me excited to wake up and eat that in the mornings. And voila! You got your food for the week. Now at the end of the day, it is finally time to clean my room. Cleaning my room on Sundays is not very hectic as it seems. I go in and I wipe down everything, dust everything, clean the glass, clean my makeup brushes. I just go and do a deep clean that I wouldn't normally do on the daily. Daily, I dedicate 10 to 15 minutes just to go and clean my room because I love going to bed, waking up, and coming home to my beautiful clean room. I'm getting so sleepy. I have decided that I am going to conclude the Sunday reset here. I know there was a whole self-care portion part to it. I feel that would be a whole separate video because there's so much that goes into my self-care part of it. It takes about 2.5 hours long just to do itself. It's just not a simple routine. Give you guys all my tips and tricks, and I want to give you guys this chart I follow from a girl on TikTok. She posted her maintenance routine to be high maintenance to be low maintenance. Did I say that wrong? I love the results, and I just feel so put together throughout the week. If you guys enjoyed this Sunday reset, I hope this got you guys inspired to create your own Sunday reset checklist. Just remember, it does not have to be perfect right off the bat. You can gradually start adding things. These are amazing habits to have. Thank you guys so much for your support. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye girl.